Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study business studies plus one step by step. We will cover essential strategies to help you excel in your exams. First, it is crucial to understand the entire syllabus and exam structure. Next, develop a consistent study routine, dedicating specific hours each day. Remember, grasping core concepts deeply is more effective than simply memorizing facts. Finally, regular practice with previous year questions is key to success. To master business studies, begin by breaking down the extensive syllabus into smaller, more manageable units. Use your prescribed textbooks and trusted online materials to gain a deep understanding of each concept. As you study, create brief, clear notes and visual aids like mind maps. These are excellent for quick review. Pay special attention to defining key terms and understanding their practical applications within each chapter. Effective study involves smart strategies. Dedicate specific, uninterrupted time slots for each subject and topic to ensure comprehensive coverage. Actively test yourself often, perhaps using flashcards or self-quizzing, to reinforce learning and improve recall. Consider forming study groups with friends. Discussing concepts and solving problems together can clarify doubts. Make sure to revisit challenging topics several times to solidify your understanding and memory. For exam preparation, solving at least 5 years of past question papers is absolutely vital. When practicing, try to simulate actual exam conditions, including time limits to build speed and accuracy. After each practice session, thoroughly analyze your answers, identify areas where you made errors, and focus on improving those weaknesses. Remember to maintain a positive attitude and employ stress management techniques to stay calm and confident on exam day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.